My name is Carlos Moctezuma. I am a local lender here in the high desert. My NMSLR ID number is 960434. I am going around looking for open houses and presenting them to you, and also introducing you to local real estate agents.
I want it. I got it.
I am super excited to go ahead and start this series and take a journey with all of you guys. The whole purpose of this series is for me to be able to go ahead and show you guys the properties that are for sale around this area, and for you to be able to go ahead and meet those agents. A lot of the times we don't have the time for us to come on a weekend to go ahead and look for open houses. So I am doing this for me to be able to show you those homes, and you can watch them at any time from the comfort of your home. And at the same time, for me to be able to show you homes that qualify for the Ladder Up Grant program that I'm offering, which is 3% up to $15,000 of your loan amount. So when I'm interviewing those realtors to ask them if they're offering any concessions, I'll be able to let you know whether they're paying for closing costs or if they're giving you any other concessions for you to purchase the house. Then I'll be able to let you know whether you can purchase this home with very little money out of pocket. Not everybody is going to be open to this idea, but we're going to go into a really great adventure, you and I together. So let's go find that first home. Hi.
Hi.
I'm Carlos Moctezuma with City National Bank. How are you?
Nice to meet you. I'm doing good, thank you.
And tell me about yourself.
So my name is Anna Yancey, and I'm with Realty One Group Empire, and we are hosting an open house right now. So we are here in Hesperia. We have a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and I do want to let you know we have a big price drop. So
Really, what's the price of the house?
So right now we're at $449,500, and we have a motivated seller. So
Beautiful. Would you mind showing us the house?
come on, let's check it out.
Hi, I'm Carlos with City National Bank. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. What are your names?
Crystal with Realty One Group Empire, and I'm Kim with Realty One Group Empire.
Oh, beautiful. Now, would you mind telling us a little bit more about your home?
Yeah, so welcome to 7591 San Diego Avenue, Hesperia, California. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath located on Ranchero off of the area.
And would you mind sharing the price of the home?
Yeah, $489,900.
Now, is there any concessions on the property?
No, but we can definitely negotiate that with the seller.
That is amazing. Well, thank you very much, you guys, for spending time with us and sharing this information on the property. It has been a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So nice to meet you. Thank you. And we'll see you in the next house.
See you.
Hi, friend.
Hi.
I'm Carlos Moctezuma
Hi,
with City
Carlos.
National Bank.
Great to meet you.
Nice
I'm
to meet
Francis
you.
Chevalier.
Would you like to talk about your home today?
Yes, this beautiful home is a 2-story. The address is 11550 Danielle Drive in the city of Adelanto. and it's 7214 square feet lot size, but more importantly, it's almost 2,800 square feet. So it's a nice, big, beautiful home. It's built in 2004. I'm going to be here today till 3 o'clock, so you only have almost an hour to come by and see me. If not, you can always call 760-490-8318.
I love it. Please call her. Are there any concessions on the property?
Not that I know of, but you know, everything's negotiable.
Beautiful. So that means that you can always put in your offer,
Absolutely.
and Fran will be able to go to negotiate that for you.
Perfect.
Well,
Yes.
Fran, it's a pleasure meeting you.
Oh my God, Carlos, thank you for coming by. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
I love the information you left, so definitely be calling me.
Thank you very much. And let's go to the next house. Hi guys, this beautiful house is 13879 Oakmont Drive in Victorville, California, 92395. It's a beautiful home here by the golf course. Our agent was a little shy today, camera shy, so we won't be able to go ahead and interview her, but I was able to go ahead and take some shots of the beautiful home. This immaculate 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,900 square feet residence is the epitome of comfort and style, offering a prime location and a stunning curb appeal. You'll immediately be struck by the home's inviting curb appeal, with low maintenance landscaping and well-maintained exterior showcasing its pride of ownership. The price of this home is $380,000, and it has been presented by Erica Cordova. The phone number is 562-298-3983. She's with Keller Williams, Victor Valley. And remember, if you're looking for financing, call me, Carlos Moctezuma, 760-217-6123. Well, guys, this will conclude this week's episode. Please remember that sellers are motivated to sell. So put in your offers, ask for concessions. That was one of the things that all of the agents have in common, is that they're willing to negotiate. That plus my grant, which is 3% up to $15,000 towards your down payment, closing cost, or to buy down your interest rate, is going to go ahead and give you a leverage for you to come in with very little money out of pocket. Also, keep in mind that my loan does not have PMI, which is going to be huge. That could give you savings anywhere from $150 up to $250 a month just by not having the PMI. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call at 760-217-6123. I will also include my QR code here on the screen so you can go ahead and reach out to me. Thank you very much. And I'll see you next week to go ahead and see more open houses.